Alright class, let's do roll call. Mike Myers.
Here.
Cooper.
Here.
Daniel.
Here.
Mitchell Petters.
Here.
Doug.
Here.
Ian.
Present.
Sean.
Here.
Arshia.
Here.
Courtney.
Here.
Okay, that's everybody. Now we will do social skills. Hey, who burped in my class?
I think it might have been me. I ate too much, so I had to have sounds out of my mouth.
That's it. Go to the principal's office now.
Why are you here, Cooper?
I burped in class.
Oh. That's it. I am calling your dad. Hello? Cooper had burped in class. Come get him. Your dad is coming.
Cooper Howard Collins. I can't believe you burped in class. You will have punishments when we get home.
You are grounded for 1 billion years, with no TV, no Muppets, no Go Animate, no Sound of Music, no Diary of a Wimpy Kid, no burgers, no French fries.